Good morning, my dear students. I am very glad to have an online lesson with you. Let's begin our first lesson for the fourth quarter. Before beginning of my lesson, I want you to ask some questions about your spring holidays. How did you spend your spring holidays? What did you do? Did you help your parents? What books have you read? Did you like your spring holidays? You should answer these questions in written form and send me on my WhatsApp number. Today's our new theme is elementary schools in United States of America. Let's acquaint you with the aim of the lesson. You can read and translate the text in turn. You can put and answer the questions and give your point of views on the theme. You can listen to others' opinion, respect each other, and be active. Let's acquaint you with the new words of today's theme. Now repeat after me. Elementary school, elementary school, elementary school. Microphone, microphone, microphone. Nature study, nature study, nature study. Physical training, physical training, physical training. Now open your books on page 62. Read the text. American schools in elementary schools. At first listen to my reading and then you will read and translate in turn. Children in the USA go to school at the age of 6. They begin to study at the elementary schools. They are also called a grade school. Children study in elementary schools to the age of 12. In elementary schools, the children have lessons from Monday to Fridays, no lesson on Saturdays and Sundays. So the children study 5 days a week. They come to school at 8:30 before beginning of the lessons at 9. Children sing patriotic songs about the American flag. Each lesson lasts half an hour. At 10:30, children have mini lunch. At 11, they have lesson of writing. A teacher uses technical aids. She writes the new words and all people can see, copy the words. Okay, so now you will read the text and translate in turn. Now look at the video about elementary schools in USA.
Hi, I'm Anna Maria, and I live in Cleveland, Ohio, and I'm here to tell you about America in General's high school system. Okay, first we have your pre-kindergarten, which is from ages like 5 to 6, or even 4 to 5, 5 to 6. So you're going to start at a very young age, and it's to teach you about general school, like your numbers, a little bit of your alphabet. So after you graduate from that, you're going to start your first part of your schooling, which is kindergarten. That's when you learn your alphabet, like you go more in depth of your alphabet, you learn words, you learn how to be compatible with other students. So then you're going to start from first grade, and from first grade to about first grade to fifth grade, I'd say, is when you're starting to grow. You're learning more vocabulary, you're learning math, science, phonics, you're learning how to dictate words. So you're going to end at fifth grade, that's your elementary school. And you're going to start the middle school, which is from the
Okay, now answer the questions about the text. When do the lessons begin and when do children come to school? What do they do at school? answer the questions in written form, and don't forget to send me. At last, now work test on the theme Elementary Schools in America. Here 8 tests. You should work on this test and send me your answers. So we have finished our lesson. Goodbye. See you.